which you can try at home without any fail. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to get the latest updates. Take a kadai, add some oil, add cumin seeds, mustard seeds and let it splatter. Once it gets splatter, we will add our grated ginger. Then we will sauce for some time till that raw taste of the ginger goes away. Then we will add our broccoli. I have washed and soaked the broccoli in hot water for half an hour. Now let's add some water. I have taken 1 glass of water. Then we'll add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder and salt to taste. Now we'll cover it and steam cook the broccoli. Steam cook broccoli for about 10 to 15 minutes. I can get the nice aroma of the ginger. Once our broccoli is steam cooked well, we can add some coconut and give a good stir. It will enhance our taste. Our broccoli is ready to serve.